What is up, everybody? Today I am installing a cold air intake. I've been wanting a cold air intake for my Trackhawk pretty much since I got it. Well, pretty much since I got the white one almost a year ago. And Erin, so kind and lovely, got me one for Christmas. I am very excited to hear this thing whine. Okay, I'm gonna give her a couple revs just to do sort of like a before the intake versus after the intake to see how whiny she is now. Before and after. Cue the whines. We are literally racing against the rain, so hopefully we can do this really fast. We got the old stuff out and we got the new one all mocked up with this fancy little thing to cover it, make it look pretty. Aftermarket OEM. She's thick. I just want to say that this fancy little rubber lining, the devil, just for it to look a little prettier. Day 2, so we did finish the intake install very late last night. We had to run out and grab a couple of things that we were not expecting to have to get. The coupler that came with this kit was way too big for the throttle body. This intake came from a stage 2 pulley kit. Not sure if that's why the coupler was so big. They have bigger throttle bodies. I literally have no idea, but it was way too big. So we had to go out and get a smaller one. That's not what she said. We made it work, sounds amazing. We took it for a test drive last night. Let's cue those clips. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it is making like a slight whistle right now just at idle. And it definitely never did that before. And the belt is also very loud. It's going like very, very slightly. It definitely never did that before. So you can only imagine how it sounds under load. Amazing. Like, I was like, oh, I'm like, I swear it feels different. I just feel like it revs so fast, like a bit faster than I'm used to. And now I need gas. So we got the tow hitch. The tow hitch is what I'm doing next. So we got the intake installed. I tried really hard to have an unbiased opinion when I got back in this car after installing the air intake because I didn't want my brain to like convince myself that there were all these changes, so many things that were gonna be different, like it's gonna be faster and like, you know, I was really trying to have an unbiased opinion when I got back in to drive it again. The first thing I noticed was throttle response, the throttle response. Now, the throttle response and like the delay in shifting between when I actually shift and when the car decides that it wants to shift, those are like my two biggest pet peeves with this car. The throttle response is noticeably better. I won't say significant because significant to me might not be significant to you, but I definitely noticed a difference in the throttle response, and then it definitely pulls harder. Like, and you guys can tell me I'm crazy if you want to, but these are just the differences that I noticed, and it sounds good. 10 out of 10 would recommend this mod. The next thing for the Jeep is probably gonna be the tow hitch that I bought 4 months ago that's been sitting in my garage. Pulls hard and sounds good, so that's all that really matters anyway, right? Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.